to another video. So today I'll be showing you guys a simple recipe on how to cook bhajias in collaboration with a friend of mine who's a superfood enthusiast. So I'll just let her introduce herself.
Hi! Hi guys! So my name is Nguru, commonly known as Miss Nguru on all my social media platforms. I'm also a YouTuber and a food blogger as well. So I'll be joining Lady Kiama so that we can show you guys how to make bhajias. So we'll get straight to the ingredients. So for our main ingredients, we're going to be having russet potatoes, a bunch of dhania, all-purpose flour, turmeric spice, some salt, garlic cloves, and lastly, water. So using a whisk, we are going to start with our dry ingredients. So we're going to add in the turmeric, and then next we are going to add in some salt, and then we're just going to mix this thoroughly until it has a brown color. That way. And then next up, you're going to gradually add the water as you mix. Way from center as it pours into the side, from the sides into the center, like that.
We're going to put in the garlic paste. We blended our garlic cloves and made it into a paste. Then we're going to add in the chopped dhania or coriander
or cilantro.
So that's the kind of consistency that you want, kind of like yogurt. So I'm going to show you guys how to coat your bhajias. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to transfer them several. So for these ones that I've picked, I'll just make sure that they've really coated. Then put them in hot oil. You need to turn them so that they don't stick together. You need to keep stirring them in the oil.
Where am I going to put them?
So that's it from us, guys. I hope this video helped you know how to make bhajias, because we are always craving bhajias once in a while, and it would be so much easier if we knew how to make them at home. And this video is going to help you know exactly how to make really great bhajias. Thank you for watching this video. Please follow my channel and her channel. I'll link her details down below, all her social media handles, so you can follow her and check out her work. She does really great cooking videos as well. If you liked the video, please comment down below and tell me if you liked it. And this is it, guys. Bye. And your fingers. Make sure your knife is sharp Hey! What have I said?
I'm just gonna have this one. It's so good. You guys, it's really good. The garlic has really shikad. Can we outro this video by indulge because